Most Americans and Brits are working harder than ever in 2026, and somehow still falling behind. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody talks about. US inflation is at 3.8%. UK energy bills are still brutal. Mortgage rates are punishing first-time buyers on both sides of the Atlantic. Your paycheck looks the same, but it buys less every single month. But here's what financially smart people in the US and UK are quietly doing right now. Number one, max out your tax-free accounts first. In the US, that's your 401k or Roth IRA. In the UK, that's your ISA allowance up to £20,000 a year, completely tax-free. Most people leave this money on the table. Number two, stop saving in cash. High-yield savings accounts in the US are offering 4 to 5% right now. In the UK, look at cash ISAs or money market funds. Your bank's default account is robbing you silently. Number three, add one income stream outside your 9 to 5. Freelancing, selling digital products, or even cashback reward stacking people are adding $500 to $1,000 extra per month with just a few hours a week. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start. Subscribe for weekly money tips built for UK and US earners, no fluff. Just what actually works in 2026. Inflation won't wait. Neither should you.